How to change the Outlook password on the iOS and the Android. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your Outlook password on the iOS and the Android. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your Outlook application. Now once you are in here, you have to add all of your login details in your account, and after that you just have to go back and you have to go in your Safari or any browser that you are using, and here you have to search for the account.microsoft.com, and here you have to add the same login details that you add in your Outlook application. Now once you add all of your login details in your Outlook, what you have to do is, here is the option of the change the password. You have to click on it. Now once you are in here, in the top there is the option of the your info change password. You have to simply click on it, and here you have to go on the login.live.com of the Outlook Microsoft, and here you have to approve the sign in request by just sending the Microsoft Authenticator app, and here you have to click on this arrow icon to sign in frequently in your device, and after that you are able to sign in your account, and you are able to change the password of your Outlook application. So that's how you can change the Outlook password on the iOS Android. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.